Hi guys, and emergency heavy rain just started for absolutely no reason, guys. Heavy rain came, like bam! I was like just sitting with my iPad, and suddenly bam! Whoa! There's lightning. Oh, just look down there. It's raining heavy. It's raining so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's raining so bad. I don't know how this mysteriously just happened. I got a severe thunderstorm warning, and right after that happened, boom! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. There's a funnel cloud alert in Brooks. Look up there. Oh, it's dark. Yikes. It was a rain jump scare. Totally. A rain jump scare. A rain jump scare. Gosh, we have some peace in the rain now. Guess it's another severe thunderstorm. Ooh, slamming the ground. Got heavy again. Wow, guys. So this is crazy. There's rain everywhere. Oh, yep. Kids are running. So, oh God. That is scary. Gosh. So rain's coming down. It's coming down like that. Oh, my sister's a fairy.
Can I grant your wish?
She wants to grant your wish. She also has a wand. She has wings. So cute.
And antenna.
Yeah, antennas. That's cool. Now, the rain is getting crazy. The roads are about to pool. And something hilarious happens. I'm like, the roads are about to pool. And suddenly the rain stops. But this ain't happening right now. Oh, God. Oh, the rain's come down. Oh, the rain gave some peace. Kinda. There's peace. Good. Yep, the storm continues. Gosh, the cloud is so weird. Well, rain is still coming down, just a little. Wow. Well then. 3 minutes already gone. I have no idea how. Oh my God. Imagine what's happening in Brooks. Brooks is having hail. God. Whoa! I dropped my iPad. That's just hilarious. Oh, focus. Camera's not focusing. Okay, focus. Good. What the? AEAF lock? I don't want that. Good. Let's just something say AEAF lock. And I hope you guys enjoyed this surprise rain video. Bye.